Hey there, welcome back to Adventures with Chance. Today we're checking out more Quartzsite, headed to the big show, and plan on doing some more dry camping in the desert. So we are back in Quartzsite, Arizona after spending the night just outside the Kofa National Wildlife Refuge. Quartzsite's a pretty neat place. It's located just off I-10, about 12 miles or so from the Cali border. And this place is a mecca for RVers. So who visits here? Everyone. You'll see everything from multi-million-dollar big rigs to van lifers to tents to custom builds, and we have seen some pretty interesting stuff this time around. Why do people come here? You can pretty much camp for free, and if you're decked out on solar, then you'll have plenty of sunshine. It's also ground zero for the country's biggest winter RV show. Okay, we're here. The Quartzsite Sports Vacation and RV Show. There's over 100 vendors, so there's sure to be something for everyone. Follow us in the tent and we'll see what they've got.
There's the big tent.
How old are they? They turned 1. Oh, they? She just turned 2. Yeah.
Our friends have a beast like that.
Alright, Chance is looking up coolers here. We're looking for a little fridge for the Jeep. Something else we're looking at for the camper eventually. Some solar and some good batteries.
Oh, okay. And we can still...
That big doggy, wasn't he?
That is the biggest dog I've ever seen.
Jet is loving the RV show. All the sniffs and sounds.
All the smells.
Yeah. A little bit of everything here.
Hey! Oh, he's so cute! He's so cute, puppy!
He just turned a year old, yeah.
Oh.
Socks. Gonna take a peek at some of these RVs now.
Alright, we walked around the RV show, checked out a few things.
Saw a lot of Frenchies.
Yeah, we did. We actually saw a lot of French bulldogs around. Jet made some friends.
And I think we're gonna go find another spot to set up camp for tonight.
And hang out.
Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's a little ominous today.
Yeah, the wind picked up also. Kind of worried about that.
Okay.
Jet has been loving this though.
Yes.
Jet has been so energetic.
There we are.
Somebody's been having some fun. So we just finished up with the RV show. Just got coordinates for where our friends are staying, and we're gonna go scope out the area and make sure it's a good fit for us. All right, we just got here to our possible spot. Cold. Carter, can you check the phone?
It's raining.
Yeah.
See what the weather's gonna be.
I don't have any service. Wait, let me check.
I think it might have rained.
100% chance of rain.
100% chance of rain. No way. Oh yeah, 100% chance of rain out in the desert. Yeah, it does rain in the desert. It does.
You seem so excited, Daphne.
Who goes camping in this stuff?
Us. We do.
It sure does get busy here in Quartzsite in the winter. They see upwards of over 2 million people coming in over the winter months to stay. And tonight we are camping at La Posa South long-term visitor area. We're quite a bit off the main road, so we are driving up to the entrance to pick up our friends John and Kristen and show them where we're camped for the night.
What you eating, babe?
Chocolate covered pretzel. Yeah, we're about set up And we met up with our friends from No Ordinary Path and a couple new friends. I think we have four rigs here. And about to cook some dinner because we're gonna be losing daylight soon. So I'm just gonna fry up some chicken and mashed potatoes and baked beans. Just cooking some dinner, cook some chicken here, and you're gonna put some water in for mashed potatoes, and then we're gonna have some baked beans. I think everybody's starting to kind of fix dinner, putting up some lights. Cinder and Jet are playing, had to put their coats on. It's a little chilly out tonight. Gonna eat soon because we're already losing daylight, so it gets a little bit harder to do things in the dark.
Got the lights up, got all set up, sun's going down. Let's see what you got. What do we got?
I got mashed potatoes over there. I got me one of these little silicone things here.
Oh, nice.
Such a big pot, it
Some
doesn't even
mashed
look like
potatoes.
much, yeah.
Mashed
I got
potatoes.
some chicken.
Some chicken.
I'm gonna fix some baked beans.
And some baked beans. And a nice jacket.
Oh, Daddy.
So he wants something too. The next morning, Kitty's out here making coffee already.
Morning. Yep, just gonna get started with 2 cups of coffee. Then we'll, I guess, get up and get our clothes on and slowly start packing up. Unfortunately, I have to go back to work tonight. So but we've had a good couple days out here, and we got to hang out with our friends last night. So it was a lot of fun. The boys got to hang out. It's always fun to meet up with the people you know on the road.
When he does that,
That's a wrap for Quartzsite, but we've been busy doing Jeep things. Stay tuned.